Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial of Easy Tricks app. In this video, I will show you that how you can make same style images in Midjourney. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So if you want to generate images which are similar to each other, it can be a quite difficult task. Because when you type a prompt, let's suppose I have typed in this prompt. Here you can see I have typed this prompt here, but if you type the same prompt again, it will give a completely different result because that will give it another style. So there is a trick for that, which is seed. Let me show you. Here you can see I have generated this images and I have said a photograph of a man drinking water from river, and I have added the camera that I want, and then I said dash dash seed 1. So for this prompt, this generation, I have given it a specific seed which is 1. So whenever I will give this seed to another prompt, it will give me same results that it gave me for this one. So I have typed the prompt again but in a different style, like a photograph of a man drinking water from river, but in this time I said in winter. Same camera, and then I tapped in dash dash seed 1. So both of them are given the same seed, so you can see that the style for both of the generations is very similar. You can see that this style is completely same, just difference is that the weather is changed because I said in winter. So this is a great feature that you can use, which is dash dash seed. Just when I when you have entered your prompt, just give a space, then type dash dash seed and then give a space and then type the number whichever you want to assign it to. So that's how simple it is to create same style images in Midjourney. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.